Are you looking for a professional video transmitter system? Then this video will interest you. Today I will introduce you the new Swift800 Pro, the awaited update of the Swift800 that I already reviewed a few months ago. As its little brother, it promises good image quality, stability, great distance and ultra low latency. If you stay here, we will check it out. The Swift800 Pro comes with a really useful semi-rigid case, perfect for its transportation. Inside we will find 5 antennas, 4 necessary plus 1 spare, the transmitter and receiver identical in size, the DC adapter, an L-shaped mount, and a double head arm. The Swift800 Pro works with a frequency of 5 GHz with a bitrate up to 25 megabits per second, with the following resolutions and frame rates. With a solid finish made of aluminium, weight about 220 grams per unit, in the devices we will find the antenna ports, the low battery indicator, the power switch, OLED screen, the RF channel button, the mode button, HDMI input or output depending if it's the receiver or the transmitter, DC input, the USB port, SDI loop out, SDI input or output, MPF battery slot, and the fan that can be switched on and off. The Swift800 Pro has 2 modes to operate. The point-to-point that can transmit signal to a monitor through HDMI and SDI at the same time, and the RTSP mode that will send the signal to 4 mobile devices at the same time. In this model, Crystal Video Technology adds a really good upgrade, 3 different modes of power supply, batteries with MPF slot, the DC supply, and the power bank, really helpful for long-term shootings outside. The transmission latency is under 70 milliseconds. After different tests, I can tell you that in a video village your director or client will never notice it, and your focus puller in 95% of the times will not have any problem. After a few weeks testing the Swift800 Pro, in real situations I can tell you that 250 meters that Crystal Video Technologies promises in their specifications are real. Take a look. I choose a big area and using Google Earth I mark 2 points 250 meters away. I leave a video camera on and I walk the 250 meters with my director's monitor. All the way the signal was stable and arrived correctly, even with different obstacles between the transmitter and the receiver. The app has been absolutely rethinked and now is not only able to offer real-time monitor and record, but also support many professional functions. After different tests and using it in real shootings for a few weeks, it has become an essential tool in my day-to-day. Hope you enjoyed the review and I would like to thank Crystal Video Technology to make it possible. If you are interested in the Swift800 Pro, take a look to the new website of Crystal Video Technology where you can find a lot of products for our industry. If you have any questions or comment, please send me a message and I will love to answer you. See you in the next review and don't forget to press the rec.